Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. I'm gonna do this quick video on how you guys can get limited 150 Google Ads coupon codes for free. And if you want to sell them too, I'm gonna show you where to sell them so you can make some extra money too besides saving. Let me show how it works. Like this is the site, so you could claim your Google Ads coupon. Go right here. Let me show you how you can get to this page. Just type 150 on Google and Google Ads credit. So just go right there, and it's this one, US. It only works from the US. Sorry, yeah. But yeah, maybe they have this promo. Maybe they have it in your country too. Just put like I put, maybe it will go, since Google is already connected to your IP. They already know if they have or not. They have this offers this promo. Maybe you have $100 in your country, or 75. I don't know. But yeah, let me show you how it works. Let me put a quick a dummy. I just created this account. Free. What's it? I just created a couple days ago. Free products company on gmail.com, and click right here. Not a bot. You can get unlimited, but you gotta create a lot of Gmail accounts. So just go right here and get the let me double check everything's right. Okay. That was sent to my email, and just wait. But yeah, how to create unlimited Gmail accounts? You need a phone, a PVA, phone verification account. That's what Google Gmail's asking right now. So how you get those? Text. They will send you a text on the phone or something. But usually this trick, I'm not doing this trick, but I'm doing another more advanced stuff. But if you want to start with this one, I heard it's working. Just type right here, receive, right here, SMS. Yeah, is this one I think that people are using. They have a lot right here, so check them out. And go, yeah, this one, like the US. Usually I pay people so they can create me a Gmail account. Pickle workers, micro workers. What's the other one? I forgot. There's another one on the other side. They have workers that you can pay them like 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, all depends. So they will create your account. PVA. It's gotta be PVA, phone verification account. So Google, yeah. So Google will accept so they can send you the coupon codes and everything. But yeah, I don't know how it works, to be honest on this. But my one of my business friends is doing this. I think you gotta put this number. You gotta first create an account and put this number. Then we'll say your text or something, and that's it. And then let's go. If they already sent the code, yeah, it's right here. So it's right here. It's right here. So let's just copy. Let's go to AdWords. And this is the account. When you create a Gmail Google Ads account, you gotta put a debit card in order to this to work, the coupon. They're asking for a debit card, and they would take $50 out of your debit card to see if it's a legit card. And so it's cause before, this is new, before they used to take just $1. But a lot of people like me I was getting a limited, like they found out or something, that they just right now they're taking off out of your debit $50. So I already set up everything on this one. You can, on this one, they make you create like a campaign. Like I did this one, like It's nonsense. So then you create account, AdWords, Google Ads, whatever. I'm used to saying AdWords because before they just changed it a couple years on Google Ads to Google Ads. But yeah, right here set up. You gotta put what's your budget, your debit card, So just go right here. Where is it? I was gonna do this earlier, but just go right here. Where is it? Damn, totally forgot. Because usually when I create an account, I just put the code and debit card, and that's it. But right here, you go. It's right here. So just go right here, save, enter. Where is it? I can't believe. But you gotta put a debit card and then put the code. This code that they just sent you. So just copy, and on the setup, usually I do this when I do this first. First I create a Gmail account, and then I do this, get the coupon code, and then create the account, Google Ads account. And so right here on stuck, I don't know how. I think it's, where is it? Edit. Right here they make you create like a, I don't know, nonsense account. Just put whatever and save it, and after you get when you put your debit card and the coupon, just remove this nonsense campaign. Remove it. You don't need that. I'm trying to figure out how the hell I put the setup. Where's the, oh, it's next. Told you I'm not a genius something. No, it's because right, I'm not used to doing it like this, but yeah, like right here, just apply it right here. Okay, it's $150 right there, and just put your debit info right here. It says it's gonna be $50 that they're gonna take out your debit card, but they will turn it back in a week. I think it will in between a week and 1 or 7 days. It might be the third day, or it might be faster. All depends. But yeah, this coupon lasts 31 days. And where is it? Expire on the, I think it's before the year ends, December the 31st. Must be right here. I can't see it, to be honest, but I think it's on the 31st of December 2020. It must be right here. I can see it. It's too small, the letters. I can't see it, but yeah, I think it's expires on December 31st on 2020. So yeah, that's how it works. Cause you can get unlimited debit cards. I usually go to Akimbo is right here. Akimbo cards. I think this one works in the U.S. only. It's this one, and these are like debit cards. You can tell they're not prepaid cards. Debit cards. I think you could get like 6. I used other ones more advanced. You could get unlimited. I use this one. Usually I use this one for PayPal too, because I'm blacklisted. I'm blacklisted on PayPal, so it's kind of sucks because I only can send money, but I cannot receive. If I receive like a payment or something, boom, my account is limited. I already tried like 5 times, and no, it's not even worth it. I'm just not gonna accept any more payments from PayPal. But this one works. Just transfer. They're gonna give you like your primary debit card, and you can transfer funds to another ones. Like you can put this is for the family. They give you 6 for free. Like you get put a name from. You can put the name of your daughter, so she wants to go buy something on the mall or something, or your wife. Because usually on the banks, on the debit cards, they always have like an overdraft fee that sometimes people don't have funds, and it's a mess. The bank charge you like $35 overdraft fee, and that's why they make this company, so you don't have to worry about that. And what's the other one? Privacy. This one is working. It's awesome. I like this one. Privacy.com. I think, yeah, somebody told me about this one, and I usually another one. This awesome, but this one is cool. You just gotta put on this one. You just gotta put your bank info and then transfer funds to this card, and that's it. Like the same as this one. Usually, I was testing this one to get Netflix or Hulu accounts, unlimited accounts, because they give you like a trial, a 30-day trial, and then they charge you, I don't know, $10, Hulu $6, I think, and on Amazon. I was using it for Amazon, the Prime, 30 days Prime, and it was working awesome. Like, they were like virtual cards. These are virtual cards, but they work too on Google. Oh, just go right here, voucher store. What's it? Voucher store net. I think it's net. And get a virtual credit card right here. They sell right here. They sell Google Ads coupons too if you want. I don't think they have right now. I'm not sure, but they have usually for $100. All these coupons are for brand new accounts. Brand new accounts. It doesn't work on if you have already a Google Ads account. If you want to put those codes, they're not gonna work. So you gotta create a lot. I know it's kind of tedious, but it's free money. Hey, free money. Who doesn't like free money? Free advertising. It's not free money. So yeah, a lot of people, hey, free money. No, nah, it's free advertising. So just get this one. I don't know if they have right now on stock. No, they don't have. But usually this are $20, and they work for, yeah, ROI right here. Yeah, Google, banks, Facebook, even Facebook. Okay, so if this don't work for you, just search right here. They call virtual credit cards online. There's a lot of websites too that the same as this one. So just this one they don't have. So just search. And okay, what else I was gonna cover? Yeah, that's it, I think. So I was gonna show you how you can get. Oh, let me show you. If you wanna sell it on Fiverr, you can sell it on Fiverr. These coupons, like someone, I think I already purchased one. Fiverr I already purchased one from Fiverr, and they work too. Let me take all this off. Fiverr, and just type 150 Google Ads. Oh my God. 150 Google Ads. And they're selling it for $5 because usually it's a promo right now. Usually I get the ones that you can activate them on your old accounts too. This one works only for new accounts, but it's good for testing. Testing is awesome to test. If you want to test a product that you're promoting or something, test it. This guy, I think I bought, he's cool. Usually he sent me one that it wasn't working. It was already used. So if it doesn't work, tell them. He responds very fast. This guy is telling me for $10. Usually these guys are making money right now. They must be making $50 to $100. Just create an account on Fiverr and sell them too. You can sell them too. What else? There's a guy I don't like this guy. He's selling it for $75. Come on. He's getting it for free. So that's like, wow. Like right now, the coronavirus, everybody's, how much is the toilet paper right here in California? Somebody was selling it for $50. Come on. $50, that's crazy. It's crazy right now in this world. What's going on right now is like, fuck. Yeah, if you want to sell it right here too, Conquer IO. There's a lot of sites. There's a lot of sites that you can sell these coupons. Since a lot of people don't know, a lot of marketers don't know. So they're buying a lot of marketers are buying right here on Fiverr. They don't know about the promo and Conquer on this side. It's like Fiverr, SEO Clerks, Upwork. There's some more. I think there's more. No, there's more, but I don't recall the names right now. They're freelancers. If you need a website, they charge very cheap. Instead of going to a company or something, a business, they charge a lot of money. Like this one, you can create an account, sign up, and sell them. Like this guy, I think he's making like killing it, like $50 to 100. And maybe he has it over here. I don't know. Conquer, SEO Clerks, Upwork. So you can start making at least. It adds up very fast. $5. Trust me, guys. On CPA marketing, the same. A lot of people, you're getting $2, $1 conversion per lead. But if you know how to drive traffic, it adds very quick. Like at 500, 1,000. All depends where you're promoting. You could promote it on Craigslist, CL, Craigslist, OfferUp. But you gotta know how, or else your account might be shut down because they don't like to classify ads, this network, CPA networks. But yeah, that's another topic. But yeah, if you want this, I did this Banknet's course, so you could get unlimited 2 free and Gmail's accounts, coupons, and everything. Yeah, just comment something on the video, like it. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and click that little icon. And yeah, I will give you this for free. I did this course, I don't recall, like a couple years ago. But yeah, it was one of my first training course that I did. But if you want it, just do that. But yeah, it has a Craigslist course too. I don't know if it's working, but I think it's working. I think the owner updated because this course he did it on 2016 or 14, I can't recall. But I think he already updated. I don't know if he has this one, P-Base Secret Unlimited. So it's like you buy a phone. Those are prepaid phones, the old ones, the old-fashioned ones, and you can change numbers. They say you create. This guy did it for Craigslist because he was creating a lot of accounts. And when you create Craigslist accounts, it's the same as Google right now, Gmail. They want different numbers. And he had a trick right here that you can change numbers with the old-fashioned phones, the ones that you put credit on your debit or something. Not the plan ones. The ones that you put plan and go to the website. I don't think those ones they're not working. They're not gonna work. I think it's gotta be the old ones. I had a link right here on eBay, but I don't know if it works right now because I have a lot more advanced tricks right now. But yeah, here's the course, the case studies, and everything, how to get the coupons on Bing. Usually I started with Bing, getting the free coupons, and then on Google and Gmail. But yeah, just like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and put your email on the comment section, and that's it. I will give it to you. I don't know. I'm banking a lot. I'm giving a lot of free stuff right now. So take advantage of. Okay, guys. See ya. Peace.